In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Last Seen on Telegram. If you want more control over your privacy on Telegram, especially who can see when you were last active, this quick walkthrough will help you adjust the settings on Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. Start by opening Telegram on your computer, either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top left and click the menu icon, usually shown as 3 horizontal lines. From there, select Settings. This is where you'll find all your preferences, including privacy controls. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This section manages what others can see about your activity. Find the option labeled Last Seen and Online. This controls both your last seen timestamp and your online status, and how they're shared with other people. Here, you'll choose how visible you want to be. If you select Nobody, your last seen and online status will be hidden from everyone. People will only see a general label like Last Seen Recently. If you prefer a middle ground, choose My Contacts. With that, only people saved in your contacts can see your last seen and when you're online. This is a great balance if you want privacy from unknown users while staying visible to friends and family. Keep in mind, Telegram uses a privacy reciprocity rule. If you limit who can see your last seen, you may also be limited in what you can see about theirs. That's expected and helps keep things fair. You can fine-tune things further with exceptions. Inside the same last seen and online screen, you'll see options to add exceptions. Use these to allow specific people to still see your status even if you've chosen Nobody, or to hide it from particular users even if you've chosen My Contacts. This is perfect for making exceptions for close contacts, or, on the other hand, preventing certain people from seeing your activity. The exceptions you add here override your main selection, so you get exactly the visibility you want. Once you've made your choices, you don't need to hunt for a save button. Telegram applies changes automatically. These settings are tied to your account, so your preferences carry over wherever you use Telegram. That's it. Open Telegram, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Last Seen and Online, pick Nobody or My Contacts, and add exceptions if needed. Take a moment to adjust it now and enjoy a safer, more private experience on Telegram.